Good morning from the Pompey Observatory. As you can tell, I am not unboxing the S30, but rather I am unboxing an accessory for the dwarf. Let's see what came in this nice box. It has 30 on it, as in 30 feet. This is going to be my new monopod for the dwarf. Haha! Okay, what do we have here? We have one, two, three, four. I think they cheated me. This is supposed to be a 30-footer. I think they sent me a 24-footer. That is a flagpole that is supposed to raise the dwarf above the house so we can have a full 360-degree view. I'm going to find out if they have indeed sent me the wrong package. False alarm. They have indeed stuffed pipe inside pipe. So let's see what we have. Yup, pipe inside pipe. So how would I put the dwarf on top of a 30-foot pole? Carefully. On a very calm day, no wind like today, I will show you as we build this monopod and put it to good use, how we're going to do it. Ta-da! There we go. So multiples are stuffed inside. That's going to be interesting. I would have thought all the poles would be the same thickness, and they are not. They are aluminum, 0.2-inch aluminum, except for the plastic piece that's supposed to go inside the concrete underground. So the trick is going to be how sturdy are they radially. I know that vertically they should be able to carry a lot of weight, and they are sturdy. The question is radially. If I am lifting the 30-foot with a 3-pound dwarf at the end, will it bend and buckle inside? I hope not to find out. So for now, we have our 6 pieces, 5 foot each. That should add up to 30 feet, even in common core math. I will assemble them and verify that they will indeed clear the house and the chimney, and finally give us access to the west and to the south.